All right, let's do our second Diamond Dual Boxer. Boxes 5 and 6 from a fresh case. We've got Zonkney with the Lions, Notorious B.O.B. Rams, Brewski, Falcons, Broncos, Raiders, Chargers, Jim Bob Cooter, Jaguars, Chiefs. Doug has Cowboys, Eagles, Seahawks, Cranky Yankee, Steelers, John G, Bills, Bears, Dolphins, Big Nugs, Browns, Borat, Packers, Boomstick, Cardinals, Buccaneers, Bobby Smalls, Bengals, Texans, Giants, and Niners. Rye has Colts, Jets, Needle, Panthers, Redskins, Thomas K, Titans, Vito, Ravens, and Will with the Saints. Every other guy? No way. That can't be true. Isn't it like Devin Booker? The autograph checklist. Well, I don't want to get into this now, but I was looking at the autograph checklist. There's a lot of good names. I mean, I'm sure a lot of them are a lot more rare. Oh, yeah, only the best companies. Oh, Jameis Winston, 5 of 5. Boomstick, just what you wanted. Look at that card. That is what you call a cheap entry into an awesome card. Jameis Winston, 5 of 5 rookie, blue ink. Oh, mama. Under that, we have, do it this way, Cameron Artis Payne, patch auto, 16 of 50. Nice patch for the Panthers. For Needle. And the redemption, let me use the Winston to reveal the redemption. Diamond autograph patch card. Ryan Tannehill. Miami Dolphins, John G. I wonder if Tannehill's ever going to take that step to be an elite quarterback. He's kind of close. Yeah, you just have to ask nicely. Diamond is not very gradable. Let me look at it, though. Diamond has some edge, some corner and edge issues. Yeah. See that right there. I mean, I have a hard time with the backs of cards because I don't know how much they weigh that. The front actually looks pretty good. There's still little white dots on the corners. I don't know. I think it's a 9, but it could be a 9.5. DeMarco Murray on the Eagles, 11 of 20, patch auto. Doug. Under that, Devin Smith, rookie patch auto to 125 for the Jets. Rye. Way to go, Rye. And the last card is backwards, and it is Justin Hardy, 7 of 10 for the Falcons, rookie autograph. Brewski. Yeah, Diamond is not gradable, generally speaking.